how to find trending audio on Instagram. So here we are on Instagram, and the first thing that we'll do is to tap on the profile icon here on the bottom right, and then tap on the three horizontal bars on the top right. And from here, you want to scroll down until you see the professional dashboard right here. Scroll down, and we should see here for professionals. So what we're going to do here is that we are going to go into the creator tools and insight and view insights. And the next thing is that you want to tap here on trending audio, because Instagram literally has a feature for you to find the trending audio. So just tap here on trending audio right here, and now you'll be able to see all of the trending audios here on Instagram so that you can use them on the reels or posts that you'll be making to boost your engagement. And you can tap here on the flag icon at the right side, wherein you will be able to save this music or audio for reference. And then you can also tap on them so that you'll be able to see more reference videos that uses this audio, and you might have an idea on how you can use this audio effectively. So yeah, this is how you can find trending audio on Instagram. Thank you for watching.